This is a used 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, powered by rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, heavy-duty suspension, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Coon Silver Spring Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3111 Automobile Boulevard, Silver Springs, Maryland, 20904.